as we come to the end of the road, another chapter, and as we tear out the pages we wrote, on the future, because the past is rewriting your book. Take a look at the present and so hard letting go. It's time to say say a vow, say a prayer that the manic will come. Write the words to a verse, hopefully and the curse. Overloaded, overloaded, overloaded mind. Tick tock, it's time. The words will never erase. They were a slap to the face.
Ir štai mes vienam iš tikriausiai tokių neeilinių renginių Lietuvoje susitikome su Roger Grace'u, kuris važiavo netikėtai į Palangą, mumis pakvietė ir tiesiog keletą žodžių, kaip viskas įvyko, klausimą pas vieną iš organizatorių.
Organizuojame Roger Grace seminarus kiekvienais metais ir jisai turi galimybę pas mus atvažiuoti kiekvieną vasarą, kad brazilų džiu-jitsu sportas vystytųsi Lietuvoje, stengiamės ir atsiranda tokių entuziastų kaip Darius Rudzevičius, kuris labai mėgsta šitą sportą ir atidarė savo mokyklą.
Ar tai bus, tarkim, didesnis maštabas, didesnis masiškumas, kad būtų daugiau žmonių, ar tai vis dėlto, tarkim, liks kažkokių tai atskirų, tarkim, miestelių arba miestų atskiri seminarai?
Mes stengiamės apjungti, kad sportas populiarėtų visoje Lietuvoje ir ne tik Lietuvoje. Ir iš tikrųjų tai yra labai populiaru pasaulyje ir kaip su Roger Grace pagalba ir tai vystosi ir tikrai nesitikėjome, kad sulauks tokio populiarumo jo seminaras ir labai didelis ačiū Roger Grace.
Tada iki sekančios vasaros tikriausiai.
Tikimės.
Yeah. How come you turned up in Lithuania this sunny weekend? Let's say it's sunny.
Yeah, I mean, the idea was to come here in the summer so we can enjoy the weather.
It is our summer. It is our summer.
Yeah, but now I really miss Brazil, no?
Yeah, I can bet that.
Yeah, no, but I live in London. The weather there is like on and off. It's kind of the same. So for me, I'm used to it.
Is it going to be a tradition to come to Lithuania every year?
Oh yeah, no, I've been coming for a few years already. We have a few schools here.
Yeah.
Donatos, he lived with me many years in London, then he moved here, then he opened his schools. Yeah, Darius too. So, Jiu-Jitsu here is growing a lot. You see more people training, more schools. Today was like 60 people in the mat. It's a few years ago there was like 20, 30. Now it's like there are hundreds of people doing Jiu-Jitsu, so it's very good.
And how about the level? What do you think about the level?
I think the level has been increasing a lot. I mean, the more people train, the bigger the level will go. I think that just time will tell, but it's natural because Jiu-Jitsu here is still in the beginning. I don't think you have I think maybe have one Lithuanian black belt. Yeah. So in a few years you're going to have even more. So all the lower belts, they will become the next generation of Jiu-Jitsu. So the level has been increasing. I think in a few years will be very strong.
Is it like a really big impact on the guys that you saw on the mats? Is different styles of wrestling? Are they just like picking up, some details from wrestling and putting into jiu-jitsu that you're teaching? Have you noticed that? Or?
Yeah, no, that's very common. You have some countries like you go to Russia where the judo and wrestling they're very strong. Yeah. And they already have a background in judo, so it's even easier when they transition that to jiu-jitsu because they're already very familiar with the ground fighting and takedowns and everything, so they can learn much quicker. And you guys are not small,
What do you think, impact of Brazilian jiu-jitsu in MMA, or mixed fight and stuff?
I mean, MMA was created for my family, because of jiu-jitsu. So I think today the sport changes a lot. But it's like everything else. It's the ground fighting is such a strong part of the game that if you don't know what you're doing on the ground, you cannot survive any type of fighting, especially in MMA. You do have some very strong guys standing up, but they have to have a strong base on the ground, because if they don't know what's happening, they cannot defend. So they can win the fight standing up, but in case the fight goes on the ground, they finish. So it's, you see all the champions, in MMA show, they're very strong on standing up, they're very strong on the ground. So it's very mixed, the sport today.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Big appreciation. Дякую.